Move east to where the city, the river, and the lake meet. Introducing the newest luxury residential tower in Lakeshore East, Chicago's most secret neighborhood. Welcome to Cascade. Just opened in August of 2021 with 503 luxury apartments developed by Lendlease and Magellan. If you're looking for luxury in Chicago, you've come to the right place. We find you the best apartments in the city so you don't have to. Subscribe to our channel and see what it's really like to live in the Windy City's top properties. I love how the building's canted, meaning it's on an angle. So even though their sister property, Cirrus, is right in front of us, you still get incredible lake views from the east-facing units. Like this cool convertible at 572 square feet with a wall full of windows to take in these ridiculous views of the lake and Navy Pier. I like how these are open yet sectioned off, so you can tuck your bed away over here and host guests out in your large living space and brag about your views. One bedrooms here come with a variety of different views and layouts, like this larger one bedroom on the 7th floor facing east at 767 square feet with more lake views, great closet space, and a nice wide open floor plan to set up several different ways. Also with super spacious bedrooms and bathrooms and closets with built-in shelving to maximize space. You could easily fit a desk back here or a large dining room table and a smaller portable island, and almost any size couch will fit in this space. Cascade is an absolute oasis in the heart of Chicago, lined by Lake Michigan, Lakeshore East Park, Maggie, Daley, and Millennium Park, the Riverwalk, as well as the Loop and Theater District for truly everything you need right at your feet. take a break at the Bean, catch a flick at the outdoor amphitheater, go for a cruise on the lakefront trail, or play with your pup in the park. All the reasons Lakeshore East is a true sanctuary in the heart of the city. Radiating up 37 stories just off the lake, with a good mix of studios and convertibles, as well as 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms, Cascade will take your breath away. This 2-bed, 2-bath, super sunny southeast corner comes with its own private balcony and cascading windows throughout your entire living room to take in this stunning scenery. Both bedrooms come with a walk-in closet and do not touch, offering great separation and privacy between rooms. This southwest corner 1-bedroom offers the same cascading windows as some of the 2 bedrooms here, with views of Cascade Park, a slice of the lake, and the sun peeking through the windows. You will definitely feel at peace here. If you haven't already noticed, every apartment has wide plank flooring throughout, no carpet at all. Floor to ceiling 9-foot windows, gas ranges, and full-size front-loading laundry and unit. And you will truly appreciate the little things that make these apartments home, like the Smart Nest thermostats that you can control from your phone, dimmable lighting, built-out closets in every apartment, keyless entry, garbage disposals, and roller shades. Studios, convertibles, and 1-bedrooms come with this smaller Bosch speed oven, offering for faster cook times for your convenience. The studios here are between 500 and 600 square feet with western sunset views, 2 full closets, and efficient layouts to fit living, sleeping, and even a work from home space. There are several hidden gems to explore in your neighborhood haven. First stop, Cafe Michelle for lunch. Just steps from your door at DuSable Harbor, where you'll be blown away by their seafood selection and the yachts at the pier. You'll have to try my fave, the tuna tartare tacos or the crab cakes. This will definitely be your new go-to. Then stop back at your home retreat for a little happy hour by the pool before dinner around the corner at Avley on the Park, with marvelous Mediterranean vibes, indoor trees and ropes draped from the ceiling, and an epic rooftop overlooking Lakeshore East Park and the entire city. Must-tries, the phyllo shrimp, octopus, and the tableside branzino. Wow, okay, try it all. They also do brunch here. There is so much to explore here with over 45,000 square feet of amenities spread among several different levels, like the creative shop space where you can craft your own DIY projects or just borrow some tools, or kick back with your friends in the cozy soundproof theater. The fitness center is insane with 3 separate rooms for the yogis, the lifters, and one for the runners. Plus, you can jam out here on the piano or guitar or learn a new instrument. Now, this is just a little sneak peek of the property. You will have to schedule a tour with me in person to see the incredible 32nd floor rooftop terrace with more captivating views of Navy Pier and the river. And the fan favorite indoor winter garden conservatory available year-round to help you get through those chilly Chicago winters. There were a handful of brand new luxury towers that opened in 2021. Let's explore them together. Be sure to subscribe and follow Live Shy TV on Instagram, where you can get more tips about Windy City living, and DM me for your private tour day. My team is here to help sort through all the options out there and do the work for you. Don't hesitate to reach out with your Chicago housing questions.